Something that often gets overlooked on your boat trailer when you're doing maintenance is greasing your jack. This is important. It'll make it last longer. It makes it super smooth because a lot of times we're putting this up and down. I can't tell you how many times in a year. If you're going to the boat ramp, you come back to your hotel, you're back to your house, you're unhooking it, you're parking next to it, you're pulling up. However your setup is, that's just a really good idea. So you can see here, it makes it nice and smooth. What you're gonna do is take your grease, you're gonna hook it right up there. You're gonna actually grab a hold of this, my guy leaks a little bit, and just give it a couple pumps. It's super easy. Just make sure you have marine grease, that way when it's going in the water, it's a little bit safer for it. I'll give it a couple pumps there. Then we got two more on the back side of this. Give it a couple pumps. And I do this as I do my regular maintenance on my motor, on my changing the oil, my lower unit, that sort of stuff. Just give it a little bit here and there. Doesn't take a whole lot, but the maintenance really helps it. Give it that guy. Go up and down a little bit. You feel like it's already smoother as you keep going there. Get it go all the way back up. And it's just going to keep that working a lot longer. It's important to do that.